Melissa here from Farmhouse Chic. I'm going to bring to you today a very awesome Goodwill thrift store find. I just stopped in for a quick minute. I've actually, like I told you in the last video, not had a lot of luck finding anything. So today I went in and I found some really good stuff and I want to show it to you. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what I found. Okay guys, this is my Goodwill haul. So I don't know, I hauled this a while back. I wasn't sure if I had put it in a video or not. So I'm just going to show it to you now because I'm probably going to use it in Easter. It was $1.99. So that was from a few months back. But I found this t-shirt. It's just a sleeping t-shirt because you know in all my other videos I got rid of all my raggedy ones. So I was trying to find some that's soft. This is very, very soft and comfy. So I got that out the bin. This is a throw rug. Not sure if it's actually, I think it's a piece of carpet, but you could also use it across the foot of your bed just to give your bedspread an accent or a pretty, has a little tassels on it. Not sure who it's made from. Not sure who it's made from. It doesn't really say. So if you know who that is, let me know. But it is in very good shape. Feels really good. For upcoming DIY, I found this one. It was 69 cents and it's actually taller than the ones you get at the Dollar Tree. I found this very old ice cream scoop for 75 cents. I found this little picture frame and it was only $1.49. I'm thinking about taking it apart and using the little pieces. In my little shadow box in the hall. Or even maybe just changing out that plaid yellow background to something that's more my style, like a black and white, because the yellow really doesn't go in my kitchen. I found this. It's a Food Network outlet warmer for $2.99. I was so excited. It's like in mint condition. Looks like maybe it was used once. And it is a little mason jar. I actually bought one for 20 bucks from Scentsy. And I just got this one for $2.99. And I was thinking even if I didn't want to use it in a plug-in, because you know I live in an old farmhouse. It's got a little chip right there. I live in an old farmhouse, so I don't have a whole lot of plug-ins. But it would look really pretty just sitting on the counter with a tea light. Because you could always drop a tea light in there and just use it as a tea light warmer for decorations. So I like that. And then I found this crock. Could not believe I found this crock. It's got the number 2 on it. In mint condition. Not sure who that maker is. If any of you know out there, let me know. But that's what it says. I can't quite make it out. But you see, it was $2.99 for that. So I thought that was an awesome deal. And then I just found this blanket yarn for 59 cents. And I just want to use the yarn to wrap around some mason jars and things for DIYs. But the best find of all was this. It was $1.99. It is a cookbook holder. I'm going to paint this because the burgundy doesn't go in my kitchen. So I'm going to chalk paint that white. And that is more like a copper color. But it is so neat. And I couldn't believe it was $1.99. That's the back of the stand. Alright, so that is all from the Goodwill. Now the Easter hauls of all Easter hauls. I went to this little thrift store close to my area and I found 2 of these little hand towels. Look at these things. They've never even been washed and they just say, give me some sugar, which I thought was really cute. I can hang them on my stove. I got 2. And then I found this little candle. It was 50 cents. Some green grass filler, 50 cents. And I've been looking some of these, and they're very expensive, which these were, say, Walmart $1.97, but Walmart didn't have anything like that in my area. So I paid $1 for these. and then another pack, because I'm going to use them on some little Easter trees and some little cloches that I'm going to make. I found this little picket fence. I'm going to use that in my flower garden, in my fairy garden, but I just thought that was really cute. I found found 5 of these, which, you know, in most of my videos I'm showing you where I am collecting these little hankies or cloth napkins. I'm going to try to do a curtain. If I ever get my girls' room, I'm going to use these as a balance, as a curtain balance. So, but there was only 5. I searched the store over and I could only find 5. So I know there's one missing somewhere, because why would somebody just have 5? You'd either have 4 or 6 or 8. So anyway, found those. Those were, I think she charged me 50 cents for the whole thing, for all of them. I found this little thing. I'm going to put some flowers in him. He was 49 cents. Actually, he come from the Goodwill, but they only charged me 25 cents at the thrift store. So how cool is that? It was actually a Goodwill find for someone else, and then turned out being a thrift find for me for $1. I found this little fish bowl that I'm going to use to make a cloche for Easter, and it was only $1, and this is actually a heavy duty, pretty good size one, bigger than what you could find at the Dollar Tree. And I also found this lid. It's just a heavy metal lid, you know, painted, but I thought that would be really cute to put on top of that on a plate, on a cloche, to make a cloche. And then I found this little bunny. He was $1. And this is what my idea is for him. Kind of something like that. Isn't that cute? And even thought about putting the fence inside there too. So, and then I found this little box of bunnies. And they were from the Dollar General, and they were 50 cents. They're really $1. But look at these bunnies. Look at these bunnies. Aren't they adorable? I want to say I think this one is my favorite. But I like the little bunny with the carrot. But I've got to show you the cutest find of all. He was 50 cents. Look at this. Is that not adorable? He swings, and this thing latches and unlatches, so it comes open, so you can change the little chick if you wanted to and just put something else in it. But all of this was very, very cheap. I think I spent like $8 for all the stuff at the thrift store, and then I spent like $10 for everything at the Goodwill. I actually picked up a couple of extra little things at the Goodwill for my Goodwill summer challenge I've got coming up. So I didn't show you that part. I'll hold that for later. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will have an Easter home tour coming up real soon. And actually I'm going to try really hard today to do a couple of DIYs so that I can get my house decorated for Easter, because Easter is slipping up on us this year. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment. Love hearing your comments, love hearing your suggestions and what you think of what I've done. That's the reason I do the videos, so that I can hear from you guys and see what you like and what you don't like. So anyway, we are still so close to 1,000. I think last I checked I was at 970 some. So be sure to share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Until next time.